Unlike other Canadian provinces, Quebec has its own immigration system. To move here as a skilled worker, you need to apply through the Quebec Selected Skilled Worker Program, but first, you must earn a Quebec Selection Certificate, or CSQ. Wondering if you qualify? Let's break it down. Quebec selects candidates based on a points system. To qualify, you need at least 50 points, single applicants, or 59 points if applying with a spouse. So, how do you earn points? Even if you don't speak French fluently, don't worry. If your occupation is in high demand, you might still qualify. Great news! You don't need to be in Canada to apply. You can apply from anywhere in the world, as long as you meet the eligibility requirements. However, if you're already in Quebec on a work permit or study permit, you can apply from within Canada too. Now, let's walk through the application process. First, create a profile on Arrima, Quebec's online immigration portal. This is how you express your interest in immigrating. If you're selected, Quebec will invite you to apply for a Quebec Selection Certificate, CSQ. Once you have your CSQ, submit your permanent residence, PR application to the Government of Canada, IRCC. After approval, you can move to Quebec. Processing times vary, but here's an estimate. CSQ processing, 6 to 12 months, PR processing, another 6 to 12 months after CSQ. Now, let's talk fees. CSQ fee, $844 CAD, principal applicant. PR application fee, $1,365 CAD. Quebec isn't just an immigration destination. It's a place to build a future. With a booming job market, affordable living costs, and a rich cultural heritage, it's a land of opportunities. So if you're ready to take the first step toward your Canadian dream, start your application today. Who knows, the next success story could be yours.